Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's good to have you back, and if you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Jane Michael. I'm a portrait and wedding photographer, and this channel is about my business, beginners tips, BTS of my shoot, my post-production process, personal lifestyle and beauty. This is all about my channel, what my channel will be about. As I have promised in my last video, I said I will be sharing tips and tricks to navigate through as a beginner photographer, what you need to know before venturing into photography business. So stay tuned, I'll be right back. Welcome back guys. So the number one tips you need to know before venturing into photography business as a beginner, you need to be creative and inspired. Do you find yourself taking portraits, street or travel photographs, or simply want to capture every moment? You must be able to look at something ordinary or even extraordinary and find a million different ways to interpret it and convey them into amazing images. A good way to find your inspiration is to figure out what you already like to do. Feel free to try out different types of photography that may interest you. For me, I have tried different types of photography and I've chosen portrait and wedding photography with my full chest. Wedding photographs are amazing, and I also love storytelling, telling stories through my lens. And I just discovered this. So using my images to tell compelling stories. So I so much love it. I so much love storytelling. Tutorials. Go for classes so you can learn the basics. For example, camera settings, composition, lighting, rule of third, and the likes. In fact, there are lots of things you will learn in physical classes. They teach practicals and check your progress of learning. My three tips is watch online videos. These days there are lots of online courses for anything. There are lots of online courses for anything you can possibly think of. Online courses allow you to learn at your own pace and from the comfort of your home. For instance, YouTube is one of the best online classes you can ever imagine. Even use the search engine, search for any topic you will like to have knowledge about, then you are good to go. Udemy courses too are not exempted. Number 4 tips: learn from other photographers. For me, that has really helped me. When I started as a beginner, I got myself engaged with other photographers. They delivered, they gave me tips and secrets on how to navigate through as a beginner. To check out their works and pick out the ones which interest you the most. Someday, you will also have the honor to pass your knowledge on and be a mentor for another beginner. The number 5 tip: get a good DSLR camera. Wow, this part is very interesting. Once you have a pretty good idea of what you want your subject to be, the only and one other thing you really need is to start taking those amazing pictures with a good camera. Deciding on which camera to purchase was difficult for me when I first started. Maybe in one of my next videos I will talk about the struggles of getting a DSLR camera when looking at your budget. So these are the 5 out of the 10 important tips and tricks you need to know before venturing into photography business. I don't want this video to be too long, so in my next video I will be stating the remaining 5 parts. I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to like, comment and share so that others can benefit from it. And if you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I would like to see you in my next video. Bye.